I have a friend who owns a golf cart and we always go to the golf course in the community he lives. So I needed a gift for him to use on his car, and this adjustable diamond shaped seat and back cover that a vendor sent me couldn't be better. Especially because I know he didn't want to make any holes in his current seats. This goes on top of that, so no complicated installation or replacing the seat is needed. Let me show you some of the good features and I'll take you to the golf course for the installation as well. The first thing that stands out for me on this seat cover is the removable feature and the good quality of the cover. Introducing the NOKINS brand that offers no need to nail or remove the old seats, since this one can be fixed directly into the original cushion, which makes it perfect for giving your cat a good and new look without having to hassle or complicated installations, and with the adjustable belts, things are even easier. So that's a huge plus. The quality of this cover is also a great feature, since it's made from a vinyl material that is super easy to clean but also super durable, and that inside has some kind of a foam feeling which increases comfort. The diamond shape pattern looks amazing and gives this modern look to the seat of your car. And if you had a dirty, muddy day in the golf course, don't worry because the cover is super easy to clean. Size-wise, these are 38.5 by 15.5 and 39 by 20 inches, which makes them a perfect fit for most cars, but most importantly for many brands as well. But make sure you check the multiple options before buying. Let's do a quick installation now. Looks really good, right? Overall, I highly recommend this seat and backrest cover to anyone looking to give their golf car a good and modern new look, but they're also looking for a comfortable way of protecting their goods. I hope you find this review useful and I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you.